Okay, so onward, we're doing some different scales. Again, fun for more improv. Now we're doing the blues scale. So if you want to get really technical about how to do this, um, okay. So one thing, honestly, I would think of it this way. You can compare it to a major or a minor scale. So in a major scale, you take 1, flat 3, 4, flat 5, natural 5, flat 7, and 1. So that's one way to get through this is just memorize which scale degrees you use and what are flat or changed. Another thing you could do is think in the minor scale. So we take scale degree 1, natural minor, scale degree 1, 3, 4, then we flat 5, natural 5, 7, and 1 again. The other way, I honestly am just looking for relationships. Minor third, major second, half steps, minor third, back to the tonic. So tonic, minor third, whole step, half steps, minor third, up to tonic again. It's up to you how to get through this. You can just work on reading notes, whatever. But if you need help having a system to be able to build blues scales, you can talk to me and I'll walk through these, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's slow this down. From 120, let's slow it to 80. So far, everything we've done has been at 80 except the whole tone piece, which was at 75. Okay, here we go. I'm going to play the C blues scale with my right hand.
1, 2, set, go.
Okay, so to be honest, that was like completely boring to play for me. So if you would like, what you can do is play these exercises without piano marvel at whatever speed feels comfortable, but swinging it instead. And that gives you kind of that more blues vibes instead of, it's just more interesting to swing it, I think. So that's an option. Without piano marvel, you can swing. Okay, let's take a look at the left hand for the C blues scale. This is a little different because it's starting on the upper tonic instead of the lower tonic. So we're going to go backwards. Same pitches though. So I'll play through that for you so you can hear and see what it sounds like. This is at 80.
1, 2, set, go.
And honestly, I don't know why it's doing it this way. Excuse me. But it is having you start on the upper tonic. Okay. For the my goodness, sorry. For the next scale, I'm just going to play through it for you. Like I said, you can compare. So this is the G blues scale. You can compare it to a major scale and make alterations. You can compare it to a minor scale and make alterations, or you can just memorize the pattern or just read the notes. But here's what it looks like. G blues, right hand.
2, set, go.
Yeah, okay. And then moving right along, G blues with the left hand. Here it is.
1, 2, set, go.
So that's your C blues and your G blues. This continues, it goes through the F blues, and that's it. So I'll play through these F blues for you. Oh, I lost it. But I'm going to do the F blues without piano marble, and I'm just going to swing the rhythm, just so you can kind of get a feel for what that might sound like. Again, you don't have to do it this way, but you can if you would like. So here's F blues, right hand just swung. That was a little faster than you would need to go, just so you know. And then left hand F blues swung. And that is all of the blues scales for today.